Hey guys, so today I have this a beautiful eyeshadow look for you guys. It's eating the girls up. Very much eating. And we're gonna get right into this eye look, okay? So enjoy this tutorial. If you wanna see my face glam, make sure to check out some of my other videos, but this one is about the eyes, okay? Hi guys, so let's get started. I'm going in with some Bobbi Brown concealer and just buffing that out with my finger, and then I'm going to go over that with my powder puff and some powder just to mattify it and even it all out. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, and I'm showing you the shadows today. They're from multiple Morphe palettes. I'm not going down that road with y'all. I don't know, guys. But yeah, so I'm taking this color Sandbar and putting it all over my crease, upper crease, lower crease, just getting that color all over. Then I'm going in with this orangey brown shade, and I am going back and forth and diffusing that color, giving it some sunrise. Honestly, what am I supposed to say when I do these voiceovers? Oh my god, I haven't done a voiceover in so long. I'm like, what am I saying? But I really wanted to bring y'all eyeshadow video because I don't do eyeshadow videos a lot. So now I'm taking this dark brown that really looks black. Like, it was supposed to be like a chocolate, but I don't know, it's black. And I'm putting it on my crease with a smaller brush and just buffing that out in the shape of that I would do a cut crease. So almost like the wing liner effect. Yeah, I really don't know how to talk through this, guys. I don't know the terms and terminology because I'm self-taught. And I always realize that when I go to speak. Like, how do I explain this? Anyway. So I'm just continuing to blend that out, going in with one more layer just to darken it and deepen it a little bit more. And then this is where I made a mistake. So I went back in with Sandbar. I should have went back in with that orangey brown color because Sandbar is so ashy that it's gonna mess up the transitions. Like, I just shouldn't have used that ashy of a color. It's not a rich color, so you can't go back and blend out that black with that. So I made that mistake, and I'm fixing it by just going back into what's left over on my black brush and just buffing that out. So it's kind of faded. Using this flat brush, I'm going to carve out the concealer, carve out my lid. What am I talking about? I'm going to use this concealer on the brush to carve out my lid. And I'm doing a cut crease today. I'm going to go in with some more concealer because that wasn't enough. And yeah, we're going to get this shape down. And sorry it's blurry. I realize when I'm going back to edit and stuff, like things that I need to fix. And it's having this big mirror because it loses focus. So yeah, just blending that out. So I do know the name of this palette. This is a Makeup by Mario Master Nude palette or something like that. And I'm going in with that color. And I'm just loosely tossing it on. Then I'm going in with a tighter brush and then packing it on a little more detailed. And boom, bada bam, messed up immediately. So I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy brush in black. And I'm going to fix that up at some point. Another part of doing the voiceovers, you just never know when you're about to do something. Oh, there I go. There I go. I feel like liquid liner is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll be right back. Yeah. Also, this is the Stila liquid liner because I can hear Leslie now. What kind of liner is it? That's what kind of liner it is. This is the Maybelline Brow Pencil in medium brown, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it is because I have color hair. Otherwise, I use deep brown. So I just put some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take this square brush, and let me guys know if you want a brush video. Tag Morphe, comment we want a Morphe brush video so I can get them to sponsor me. So I just made a mistake. I hate mistakes. Anyway, gonna fix it because one thing about makeup is you can fix your mistakes. So I'm going back in that color that we put all over, that orangish brownish shade, and I'm just buffing out my shadow and just cleaning it up with a clean brush everywhere that the product got. Now I'm going into my lashes from my lash bender video, and this is a style I think 4D19, and I'm gonna wear this wispy light lash. I'm loving this Kiss glue, and I'm loving this Maybelline mascara right now. Honestly, there are some new staples in my kit. Definitely make sure you check out my TikTok for this base video because this foundation is a new fave. Took some glue on the back of my hand, and now I'm dotting it on my eye with this special tool for rhinestones, and it just takes the rhinestones as a magnet, and I'm applying the rhinestones with those tools. Super cute. Not hard at all, really just took a couple of seconds and some concentration, and I really love them. So let's add some more. Okay, going in with my NC42, it might be NC40 pencil from MAC. I'm just lining my eye, and then I'm going in with the Q-tip in that color Sandbar, and then dusting it out with that orangey brown color. And this eyeshadow look is completed. So I wasn't gonna show you guys the lip routine, but I just decided to go ahead. So this is Anastasia's pencil in cool brown, and then I'm gonna use Maybelline's lip gloss. I don't know the color. My lip gloss, and yeah, bye bye boom. This lip tutorial will be on TikTok with the details. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm gonna let the music play on from here on out. Bye bye. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.